Right, hello, hello, hello. This has been the routine with summer creeping in here. I got that dehumidifier, let's pronounce it Mike, dehumidifier, draining right into the sewer there. I have another one for this side that I'm gonna run through this pipe and same thing, right into that sewer. It should have probably an elbow for sewer gas, but well, we might do that, we'll see. But, so right now I have to come down every day or so and empty 5-gallon buckets. I had it in there, but that's fills up too quick. So this is getting old. So we're gonna mount this on a hose. I think right about here, somewhere on that wall, just so it's enough to drain into the pipe. We'll cut the pipe. Yeah, they work better if they're on the ground, you know, or closer to the ground, where humidity, I guess, hovers down there. The whole room's going to be humid, so let's build something over here. Whoa. So right now, I don't know what's holding up that side. This side has a nice brace, so I have all this wood hanging up there. This board is not doing anything. I just put that there, so it's secure there. Comes across, and I guess it just, that one is holding it up. There's nothing really holding up this span, so let's just get a quick board up there to the rafter to hold all this up. And then I'm either gonna build a platform or maybe use that ledge to sit it on. That plumbing doesn't have to stay there either, so we'll see. This 2x4 was outside and I think it was holding up the shed with the platform. Most of them rotted, but this one will. So what we're doing, this will be just fine. Might as well start these down here. It's easy on the ground, not up in the ceiling. Probably should have went lower, but oh well. I like how my rafter, you can see it twist. Oh boy. This house ain't falling down, I'm telling you. All right, there you go. That's holding that up. Now let's do something over here. I cleaned all this out. Now, I'm not a fan of what's going on here. Like, this is coming across the floor, going into the dirt for some reason. It's rotten. So, don't need that. The only thing this is doing is holding the light switch. So maybe I'll make this a brace into the wall. And I'll build my platform off. This is already here. You should see how it's secured over here. All this wood I save, you know? It pays to hoard. I've used a lot of this stuff already. I'm using the 2x4s right now, so no problem there. Oh boy. Yeah. That appears to be nailed into, all right, 2x4 going all the way to the ground. Which seems solid enough. All right, so we'll leave that as is. All right, as we can see, I swept up a little bit here. This is going to be filled in with cement, so I'm not really worried about the dirt now, but all this sand which is probably mortar from my wall, but there's a ton of it back there. I put the light in there. It almost looked like there's a cutout, like there used to be a window, but this is below grade. So I know there's a window up there, and it's behind all this. So I'm not going to investigate. I'm going to say all the sand is from that. Yeah, that's what we're going to go with. All right, yeah, sure. All right, so our hose comes out at about 10 and a half inches. So we need to be 10 and a half inches up. So our hole is right there. So yeah, we could go right on top of this, make this a structural item. And this box happens to be about the same dimensions as that. So yeah, if I put it right here, this looks like it's not level, so I'll have to level that. And then another thing I haven't thought about yet is electricity. All right, so I need to get this level because the drain on the dehumidifier is on that side. So that's level. So whatever I do, I think I'm going to come down right here. Maybe do two legs off of this. This is still work in progress. This is one of my after work projects, so just wanted to get started on this. And then I need some sort of platform. Get that hose out of the way. It can be pivoted. I don't know, something going on there. Power right here above it with some wire nuts going to some illegal lamp cord. But it goes up to that junction box. So if I really wanted, I could come off that junction box with proper wiring. I think actually that leg goes into the other room and it's not in use, so maybe I could do that. Yeah, it's this one going over to that light, which I don't need because I have these lights. So I could bring that down. That'd be perfect. That'd be real easy. Another thing I could do and be quicker and easier is just hang the dehumidifier right here from this nice structure I made. It's got a handle on it. It's just plastic, but the thing's pretty heavy though. It's a good 50 pounds. Ah, don't be lazy, Mike. Let's build something. All right, that's close enough for me. How many inches do you think it was out? 3.5. Jesus. I don't know what fell or if it was never level. Who knows? All right, just trying to get a visual here. So I guess whatever I build, it's going to sit. It can sit out here. It doesn't have to be in there. The pipe's going to be right there. So maybe over a little more. And then whatever I build, the weight's going to be out here. Got just 2 posts underneath it. Problem with putting it right underneath this 2x4 is it's in the dirt and I still have to do cement. So if I build it out here, that should be fine. 2 posts sitting on cement. I think I had some pressure treated here too. So I'll build like a nice little frame. And then maybe that piece of wood, who knows? I think I'm just going to use this wood that was here. This was part of this wall at one point, or I think it might have been on this side. There was a wall. It's real 2x4, so I'll take this trim piece off. Something to that effect. That'll be good. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this because look, if I just notch or cut this off, that'll sit in there as a shelf. Not that I need it, because it's going to be way out here. I think, I'm going to put the weight all out here. And I'll put something so that this thing doesn't roll around. All right, it is shockingly level in both directions. I wouldn't say it's plumb, because the floor's got a little slope to it, but that's okay. As long as it's level up here. So this is about the general size of our thing. So I think if I get it up here like yay, the hose will wrap around the front into the pipe and go right through that. Well, that went easy. That went super easy. I just, that was on the basement circuit. I just cut the power, cut the wire. There was no staples, just pulled it through. I was thinking I had an outlet laying around. I don't. Or receptacle. So we got some wire nuts for now. I should get a metal box, ground it, and maybe even a GFCI, because it's a wet area. Wouldn't hurt. It's like $1 more for a GFCI plug. Yeah, this is working slick. I'll show you the pipe too. Dehumidifiers have a garden hose fitting, is what comes out of them. If you're not using the tank, it should have a fitting. You put this on. But this had to get a pipe adapter from the plumbing department because that's not as coarse as I think that's pipe thread on that side. So I had to get that adapter, this adapter. This just slides in there, glue it. I went with 3/8 or 3/4 rather. That's 3/4. And I'll just cut it to length. And I think I even got an elbow. Yeah, I got an elbow, 2 elbows, so I can go down into that drain over there. See, I got tons of outlets, but I don't have a box. This is my bathroom. It's all yellow and faded, and it was starting to buzz, so I should just throw it out. But I'll just hold on to that like everything else. Put it in this big box of electrical that you never know what you're gonna need. All right, this is pretty much what I did. So I think I left off. I had the wiring hanging. I put it into a box. I ended up using my old GFCI, which works. The new ones are like $30. I mean, come on. So that mounted that to the wood. I grounded it to the box because that's only a 2-wire Romex, just old school stuff. Got this up there. It's on casters, but it's not going anywhere. And then I got the nice loop going with this fancy. You can buy this bracket. I'm selling them for $500. No, $4.99. I'm sorry. And then this hose, obviously, and I showed you I had the brass adapter to the plastic. And just have it wedged for now. I guess I can make a nice block for that. And I'll show you the other side here. So you just cut the pipe. I didn't glue anything. Just right into my nice rubber stopper. Got the other dehumidifier going here. Everything's working great. Yeah. And, might get a little sewer gas. I don't know. Just from, but there's an elbow. This has a street elbow there. So I'm not getting it from the street. If I'm getting anything, it's from my own toilet. So, all right, that wraps up that little job. That's a nice little addition, so you don't have to empty your dehumidifier every, dehumidifier? I don't know. Take care.